Good morning guys, happy weekend. So it's another weekend, ride tayo sa Pilipinas. We'll ride together with my immaculate friends and sama si Kuya today. We'll head down to Sukat, C6. Let's go! Abats. Papagutom! Let's go! Parang umaambo ng madaling araw, nagising ako eh. Guys, nasa Camp Bagong Diwa na tayo. Must be the safest place around Paranaque area, Taguig. With Patsy, with Utol. Sama natin si Smoj. Hey, super. So papagutom po kami and then mag-almusal. Ilan po yung bakay namin today. Walang mileage, walang anything. Pasa yung kalye and then nag one way kasi may fun run. So dito pala mag-open ulit. So C6 area tayo guys. Okay guys, so nasa C6 pa rin tayo. Good thing meron silang dedicated bike lane. Madumi lang pero pwede na. Let's go! Nice prop sa likod. Anong ilog to? Kaya tala ng ilog to. Zumba sa mga aspiring boxers. Minor adjustment. Tama lang. Pasig na po kami. Hindi ko alam nasang area kami pinagbuhatan. First time here. Pasig City Hall. Taguig na. Heading to Vista Mall, All Home, Scala. Right, first time here. Hey, hey. Yeah, so too bad sarado pa yung coffee shop sa Vista Mall, so we'll look for alternative place back on Taguig. Lower Bikutan Road. La Luna Cafe. Recommended ni Frank. Let's go! Nice!
Ikaw na mamili kung sa loob o sa labas tayo.
Merita.
Ay, dito pa.
Classic. Nakabaliktad pa.
Jasmine.
Nadat. Sub ka na, Smouch.
Yup. Go healthy.
May wishing well. Oh. I'm done with the breakfast. Balik na uli sa road. Let's go. 4% Radiant 5 6 Tank 8% Radiant. Good thing na lang, malaki mga plato natin. Woo! Morning! We're back at Bikutan SM. Woo! Roughly 33 kilometers na, so expect maybe 40 kilometers heading half home. Alright, let's go! Guys, we're home. We did roughly 38 kilometers. Not bad. Good weather. Great breakfast. See you again next weekend. Bye bye.